people, what is wrong with our actress? What is wrong with all these our actresses? I will not stop talking about them because every day by day they keep doing things that will make me talk about them. This Uche Ogbodo now that went to do this BBL, what is it for? You know how this video I'm going to play for you people. This lady, when this lady went to do this BBL, to bring her hip out with flat tummy. You know, I was thinking maybe she want to start running outside because we know all these our dresses, this their normal. One man no they do for them. You know they enough for them. Till they do kurukere waka chukuchuku from here and there. So as I see her, because I know that this lady, she don't marry before. Her first husband, like according to the story she told the world, she married one old man. We come marry her. Whether the man use juju marry her, the man come carry her go house, they maltreat her. They treat her in a way that is not nice. In fact, treating her like animal. After giving birth for the man, she has to leave the home. She married the second one, the same thing. Then now, she now went to marry one small boy like that. I know that guy should be around 21 to 23 years old. And she now is 40-something years old. Anyway, I'm not talking about her age or the age of that guy. He's the thing of choice. It's their choice anyway. So, you want to tell me say, this Uche Ogbodo now, her character too sweet like that. When she no get luck for the first husband, no luck for the second one. And this small one now where he marry, where he dey with now, he don't go rush, go do BBL. I won't know this thing. If I talk now, I go say I do talk. You know, I tell you now say I get sharp eyes. As I dey see, na so I dey talk. If you like, make you like. If you not like, make it pepper you. They say that truth is always bitter. So what is she doing this thing for? Because I know that this girl, Uche Ogbodo, have amazing shape. She have height, she have good shape. Yes, we all know that she have shape. So is it that she has been praying for God to give her a man that she can put under her armpits? I believe that's the reason why he went to marry this small boy, because this guy is very small. He's like, I don't know. I think she started giving birth early. She's supposed to give birth to a boy, a child of this her husband's age. Yes. So when did she go do this BBL for? She came out, they dance, they sing song. View my where. Now baby, view my where. You don't view my, you don't. A woman that have grown-up children, even as it stand now, he don't born one baby, fine baby girl for this her new husband. Is it that our women, I'm talking about the married ones now, that their husband can no longer, can no longer talk, can no longer correct them, can no longer control them, because it baffles me the way and the manner our women nowadays behave. I'm not talking about single girls. I'm not talking about single ladies. No, I'm still coming for them. Another day is their turn, but I'm talking about married women now. The way most of them live their life, or could it be that maybe the way their husbands treat them, that will now trigger them to do what they are doing, or now bring out the beast in them, or they are in husband's house and they do not want to obey. They do not want to be loyal to that man. They don't want to be humble. Because I don't get it. Or is it that this guy is complaining? Is she make her no last for first husband's house? Nanya she make her no last for the second husband's house. Oh, now I see. I don't view my well. I believe it's because of Nyash. Yes. Maybe this third one too, don't they complain, say, I go pursue you for house if you no go do that Nyash. These people don't, you don't always say it. Nollywood is a house, a home of commotion. Home of gini commotion. I no carry water for mouth dey talk am. If na lie, make una come comment section, they insult me, they abuse me. Truth they say is always bitter. And I know the ladies that will come here to talk bala bala bala, to talk wetin dey clear for up. Now the ladies will be like them. Even the ones who never get money, they pray any day God bless them or bless their husband. They go do BBL. I just thank God that it was success. Yes. If it has turned the other way around, she go get more open. They say, "Feel my way. You get one girl for my area that day wey do this BBL. See as the girl we know to be slim. She go good carry overload wey big pass am. The thing don burst like balloon last week. Boah! It don burst. For my house, I hear am. Some go do boss, their boss, enlarge their breast. Make una continue dey do, make I dey watch film. Shebi that one boss go why? Na so I hear am run enter. Wetin happen? Na BBL boom bum bum. E don burst. Hey God, this is very funny. Ha! Even as that day she dey enter theater, now I come say, this girl, this way she dey do. Me, I still put eye for road though, because this her own. And the thing they gather. I just pray to not burst one day. If he burst, anyway, now God will save our men, because they see wife marry. So as that lady is, the Uche Ogbodo, she's a wife material. Make we clap for her. Wife material.